everybody. Hi Minis, how are you? It is Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library and we're here to do another craft. Are you so excited? Guess what we get to do today? Painting! Yay! So what I want you to do is make sure that you have clothes that are okay to get dirty or put a smock on to cover your clothes. We're gonna be painting. Yay! Okay, we're making a hippo. Yes, we're making a hippo. We're gonna be painting this super fun hippo craft. All right, is everybody ready? Good job. All right, I'm gonna show you what's gonna be in your craft, and then I'm gonna tell you in your craft kit. Then I'm gonna tell you the things that you need to get, okay? In your kit, you're gonna have your directions for your big person to read to you. You're gonna have your hippo pieces. You'll need those. You're gonna have some googly eyes. We always love googly eyes, don't we? And you will also have some purple paint. We're gonna turn our hippo purple today. If you don't want to turn your hippo purple, you can use any color paint from home. Or if you want to use crayons or markers, that's totally fine too, okay? But we're going to use purple paint. So the things that you need from home are some glue. You'll need a glue stick. You will need a paintbrush. And you'll need markers. And you will need a pair of scissors, okay? Those are the things that you need from home. Once you have those, we can get started on your craft. The first thing that I want you to do for your craft is take these two pieces of paper and paint them. Paint them purple. I would like you to paint the pieces of your hippo purple. Now, you can paint the whole things purple, or you can just paint some of it purple. That's going to be up to you because it's your hippo. Same with this page. Paint those legs. You can paint them all purple, or you can just paint some of it purple. Again, it's up to you. Now, you can decide if you want to use these eyes. You can cut them out and use them, or you can use the googly eyes that will be in your kit. Same with the mouth. You can cut this mouth out. You can color it and cut it out, or you can draw your own. I'm going to be drawing my own, and I'm going to be using googly eyes, okay? Something else that you can think about is to maybe use those teeth, okay? I am going to be cutting the teeth out and using the teeth, but I'm not going to be using that mouth. That's going to be up to you because it's your hippo. You decide. All right. So once you have all of that painted the way that you want it painted, we have to let it dry a little bit, okay? So maybe at that point, once it's painted, you could go wash your paintbrush and put the paint away. That would be a great time for it to do that. Hopefully, by the time you're done with that, it'll be all dry. When it's all dry, you can cut out all the pieces, or your big person can help you cut out all the pieces. I have already done all of that. I have my hippo legs, and I have my hippo head, and I have my hippo body, all painted and cut out. I decided to only paint a little bit of the hippo head, and then I colored the bottom of his mouth. Same with the legs. I painted the top and just colored the bottom. Again, it's your hippo, so you get to decide. We're going to use the body as the main part of our hippo, so we're going to start with the body. Take that body and let's glue some legs on. So let's start with one leg. I would like you to take your glue stick, open it up, and put some glue on the front of your leg, okay? Just on the front top, right here, right at the very tippy top. You can kind of see the glue. We're going to take that and we're going to put it in back bottom of our hippo. All right, we're going to stick it right down here like so. See how it's in back? Yes, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to do the same thing with another leg, okay? We're going to put paint on top, and we're going to put the leg in the back. There we go. Now my hippo has 2 legs in back. Now he needs 2 more legs, but I'm going to put the other 2 legs in front. So in order to do that, we want to put the glue on the back of the leg this time. So now I'm going to put some glue on the back of my leg, some glue on the back of my leg, if that makes sense to you. It's a little silly. It sounds a little silly. And then we can put our leg on the front of the hippo. So it kind of looks like he has back legs and front legs. And we're going to do the same thing with this last leg. We're going to put glue on the back so that we can put the leg on the front. It's a little bit turned around. It sounds a little bit turned around when we say it that way, doesn't it? All right. So now my hippo has front legs and back legs. There we go, front legs and back legs. And your big person can help you with that, okay? Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put Hippo's head on. We're going to take just a little bit of glue and we're going to stick it right to the side right here. So just a little spot of glue right on the side of his body, right about where you think his head might go. So yeah, you can see the glue. And then just stick his head right there. You can put his head, her head, whatever, however you want to face it. If you want it to be like facing up, put it facing up. If you want it just to be on there, just put it on there however you want it, okay? We need to add a little bit to this head. He needs some eyes, doesn't he, and a mouth. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put 2 glue spots for his eyes. Ooh, these glue spots are going to be way bigger than his eyes, but that's okay. So I'm going to stick his eyes right there. There we go. Now my hippo has eyes, but he still needs a mouth and some teeth, because hippos have teeth, don't they? I am going to draw his mouth on with black. I'm just going to give him a big, big smiley face. Big smiley mouth, I should say. Ooh, my black marker's running out, people. Make sure your markers work. It worked enough. So he has a smiley mouth, but I still want to give him teeth because all the hippos that I've seen have teeth. I saved the teeth when I was cutting all the pieces out. So I'm just going to cut these teeth out. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. And I'm just going to glue the teeth right underneath the little smiley face there. So that it looks like he's got 2 giant hippo teeth. Which he does, because hippos have giant hippo teeth. And, ta-da! My hippo is complete. That's it, guys. We're just going to paint, color, cut, glue, and we're done. Your hippo is all done. Make sure that you write your name on this or have your big person help you, and then decide, am I going to keep this? Or am I going to give it to somebody because they would love this too? You decide and then do that, okay? And last thing, make sure that you help your big person clean up the mess, all right? There might be paint still to put away. There might be a paintbrush still to clean. Definitely going to have to close our glue stick so it doesn't dry out. And if we have any paper, let's recycle that, okay? If we have markers, let's get those put away. And let's definitely make sure we put the scissors away because we don't want to leave those laying out for anybody to get, right? Okay, once you have all that done, your hippo is done. You guys, amazing. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye, everyone.